Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna unbox and review a beautiful luggage set for you guys. So stay tuned. You all know how much I love traveling, and the last thing I want to worry about when I'm traveling is my luggage. Now, having some good quality, reliable suitcases is so important for any trip. But if you're anything like me, aesthetics play an equally important role. So when Level 8 approached me for a collaboration and I checked out their website, I instantly knew I had to try out their bags. Now, Level 8 is a New York-based luggage company designing cases that are functional yet super stylish at the same time. I was really excited to get my hands on their famous Voyager luggage set. So today I'm gonna unbox and review them for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Bell button, you guys know the drill, and yeah, let's get started. So I got two bags, a 20-inch carry-on bag and a 28-inch check-in bag. Coming to the packaging first, both of them came nicely packaged in these big cardboard boxes with handles, which literally made it so easy for me to carry them inside my house when they were delivered. Now let's start by unboxing the carry-on bag first. It came secured in this big cotton dust bag, ensuring that it was clean when I pulled it out. Now, one of the main reasons for my excitement to get these bags were the color. Look at that stunning yellow-black combination, so chic and stylish. The color would look so pretty in summers and would give that perfect pop of color in winters. And if you're not into bright colors like these, there's a bunch of different colors that these bags are available in. It comes with a lifetime warranty that covers functional aspects including shell, wheels, handles and zippers, and a user manual with all the instructions to use it. Another thing that I instantly noticed was how smooth the wheels are. The bag features 360-degree spinner wheels and they glided on my floor so smoothly, something that you can experience only when you try it. So a big 10 on 10 for the wheels. The exterior of this bag is made of polycarbonate hard shell material that feels rock solid but also lightweight at the same time. And it's waterproof, which is a big plus for any luggage. Also, the Voyager bags come with a built-in TSA approved combination lock for additional security. 000 is the default combination setting. You have to press this button to unlock the zippers, and then you can change the combination code as per the instructions in the manual. And now let's come to the part that makes the Voyager so unique and different from all other bags. These wide handles. This honestly is the first time that I'm seeing or will be using a wide handle trolley bag. The biggest advantage I realized is the better rolling experience. And there's one more that I'll tell you later in the video. The handle has 4 height options at about every 6 inches and I absolutely loved it. However, the one major limitation is that the wide handle can't fit luggage pass-throughs in any bags. Like this weekender bag that I have has a narrow luggage strap that can't go in the wide handle. But if that's not a deal breaker for you, it's a great bag. There's a rubber grab handle at the top and the side. And you'll see these little bumpers at the bottom and on the side as well. That helps prevent the shell of the bag from being scratched, as the shell never really touches the floor. And now let's open the bag. The carry-on bag has a 43-liter capacity. The hardshell sides each have their own zippered compression systems, which is very impressive as they would keep everything organized and in place. It has a waterproof section for toiletries and a small mesh zip pocket on one side. The other side has another large zipper. And opening it, we come to another major advantage of the wide handle trolley that I was talking about. Since the handle tracks are on the side instead of the middle, like we usually see in other bags, it makes packing a little easier. This creative wide handle design offers the maximum base that allows for an increased packing space inside, which is something that definitely gives it an edge over the other bags that I've used till now. So that was the Voyager carry-on. Now I'm quickly going to show you the 28-inch check-in bag as well, which is the bigger version of the carry-on with some differences of course. This too came nicely packed in a box and a dust bag. I got it in the same color to make it a matching set because just like an outfit, it's nice when your baggage looks cohesive and intentional. Plus, a matching set is useful anytime you need to bring more than one bag. This one has a 99-liter capacity. Again, the wheels are super smooth. There are bumpers at the back and the side, so the shell doesn't touch the floor. One big difference from the carry-on that I see here is that it has a grab handle on the front as well. So there's a handle at the top, at the side and at the front, which looks really cool and practical as you can handle this bag in multiple ways. This front handle would make it super easy to grab the bag from the airport luggage belt as well. This bag again has a wide handle trolley just like the carry-on with multiple height options. And we have a TSA lock at the side of the bag. Pop that open, which releases the zippers. And now let's see the inside of this bag. Just like the carry-on, everything is zipped up, which is amazing because when you open the bag, nothing is going to fall off. On one side, there's a waterproof section for toiletries, basically anything that could leak so it doesn't ruin anything else in the suitcase. And then there's this mesh zip pocket. We unzip this compartment and there are these belts that helps keep everything in place. I like that it's nice and deep, and because the trolley handles are not in the middle, you have this flat surface here to pack your stuff. Coming to the other side, we unzip this compartment and we have a plenty of room here as well. You can feel the front handle here right in the middle that takes up a little bit of space, but that's okay as we're already getting enough room on the other side as well. So this was the 28-inch Voyager check-in bag. Overall, I absolutely loved these suitcases and I definitely recommend you guys to buy them. And by the way, I also have a 10% discount code for you guys just in case you decide to go ahead with these bags or any other bags on the Level 8 website. I'll make sure to leave the link and the discount code in the description box of this video. And yeah, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button, so that you guys never miss out on any of my future videos. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in the small circle over here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.